we got what we got. So hayaan na natin sila maglinis doon. Tayo kakain muna tayo ng brunch kasi it's 11:10. And normally nga pagka nagpapacar wash tayo dito sa Koreatown, kumakain na rin ako dito. Usually kumakain tayo ng kimbap ba yun? Kimbap tsaka noodles. Alright, let's go inside. We are at Greenland Supermarket.
You need a cold shower to snap out of the illusion. I'ma be the one to send you to that conclusion. You don't even see it coming till shit hits the fan. Hey, you just walk around it all day long like it's a plan. Easy.
So we picked up the pasalubong for the wifey. Well, not really pasalubong. Magdadala tayo sa work niya. After we pick up the car from the wash, we'll go to her work. And that's it. Okay, so daan tayo ng fashion show mall. May sisilipin lang tayo sa swatch. May moon watch ako na hinahanap yung kulay black. But I don't know what's the story behind it. Hindi pa natin alam kung available siya. Let's hope na makachamba tayo. From what I know sa mga sources natin, yung shipment ng swatch dito, it arrives between 12 to 2 o'clock. So, sana may dumating nung hinahanap natin na swatch. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung picture right here. Yan yung hinahanap kong swatch. Hindi ko alam kung available na yan dyan sa Manila or kung saan man kayo nanonood. But if you do get one or nakita nyo, let me know please. Hello! What's the story of the moon watch? The black one? The Snoopy one?
That's a moon phase.
That's a moon phase.
Yes.
So you don't get them?
We do get them.
Oh yeah? You have it?
No,
Oh.
we're out of that one.
You guys have Neptune?
Yes.
I'll take one Neptune. Well, we got something. It's not what I was looking for, but I did get the Neptune. Alright, let's go home. This time, we will really go home now. Let's see kung okay to.
Phone connected.
Yeah, testing natin to. Kung gumagana ba siya. Alright. Mic check, mic check. Testing vlog. Helmet XD5 or Tourcross 5 Arai. It's been a while since I used this helmet. Let's go back. Let's take a U-turn. Full throttle check. Kamusta kaya ang volume? Iniiwasan lang natin na ano siya na parang muffled or whatever. Basta I just need clear audio. Kasi pag hindi clear yung audio natin, nag-high tone lang tayo. Tinitignan lang natin kung gagana siya ng matino. Alright, testing done. Second camera check or second helmet check, that is TX4 or Tourcross 4 na
Phone
helmet.
connected.
Naka DJ DLS mic setup tayo ngayon with Movo. Let's test this out. So dito natin testingin kung kamusta yung ambient sound niya. Kung malinaw yung audio, crack natin ng konti yung salamin para magkaroon ng hangin. Ayan. Kamusta ang audio test niyan? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sana maganda yung pickup niya ng audio nun. Alright, so that's our test. Alright, it's Wednesday, the next day. Ang daddy nasa backyard. So, it is Wednesday, second day ng ating day off. It's sad, hindi tayo nakakapag-ride. Actually, today may plano sana ako mag-ride kasama si George. Pupunta sana kami sa State Line. Well, before State Line. Kasi meron akong speeding ticket na kailangan ko asikasuhin sana. Itutuloy ko na lang sana yung vlog na to dun sa ride na yun kasi it's still my day off. Pero, titingin muna kami ng option. We might take it. Maingay kami sa sa neighborhood. So we're waiting for George, pero most likely baka magkotse kami. Well, we can take the scooters actually. Pwede naman yung gamitin tong isa. Pinakita ko sa inyo ng konti yung mga laruan namin ng daddy sa backyard. Yung dalawang Civic na pinang-track day namin, tapos yung drift car ko. Malapit na mag-isang taon since the last time I used the drift car. I think during summer yun, August yata yung huli kong ginamit yan. But hopefully, this summer, kasi pagkagabi lang ako nakakapag-drift after work lang. Kasi normally, yung mga drift event ginagawa yan pagka weekends. Weekends nasa work tayo. Pero pagka summer events, usually meron sila mga night events. So maybe we'll attend 1 or 2 events this summer. And we'll take you guys again drifting, kind of like last year, yung in-upload natin. Nag-drifting tayo. So yeah, we'll wait for George and then we'll see what we can do and accomplish for today. Add natin sa vlog na to para magiging day of vlog siya. Alright, see you guys in a bit. My chauffeur! Audi tayo today. Audi. What's up, Georgino? Say hi. Say good morning. This is part 2. Loyang. So we got our ticket done. Nakapunta na tayo sa lawyer. Sinamahan ako ni George dun sa suki niya. So ngayon we're gonna have lunch date with Mr. George. Dinala niya ako sa Citabello. Is that right? You guys can see that. It's a Italian joint. Kasi nakikrave daw siya ng pizza. Ako naman, I'm always down for some pasta. Kaya we'll have lunch and then after that we'll head home. I guess wala tayong ride today, which kind of sad. Done with lunch eh. Dinate tayo ni George. He paid for lunch. And my take home. Thanks, Georgie. Of course. Mame. Yo, what's up guys? So, it's the end of our day off. Tapos na ang Tuesday, Wednesday ko. Hindi tayo nakapag-ride masyado maliban dun sa testing na ginawa natin earlier sa video. Nag-testing tayo ng pagbuo ng helmet. Dalawang set yung binuo natin, so which is still good. At least meron tayong accomplishment. Pero tonight, since babalik na tayo ng work bukas, nakatambay tayo sa garage kanina. And I've been wanting to get fuel for this bike kasi empty na siya, oh. So kukuha muna tayo ng gas sa Shell. Actually kakauwi lang namin siguro mga an hour and a half ago, kasi nag-dinner kami kasama si Ninong Vincent tsaka si Pogi and Paping, together with my dad and my wife, of course. So yeah, we ate at this place. Bago siyang spot, parang pick your own. Tapos parang shabu-shabu siya na hindi mo maintindihan. Basta pupunuin mo yung bowl kung anong gusto mo, tapos kung anong nilagay mo dun sa bowl, titimbangin nila. Pag natimbang na nila, babayaran mo siya, and then lalagyan nila ng broth kung anong gusto mong broth. I think meron silang 4 na iba-ibang broth. Okay naman siya, pero sobrang dami pagkain, sobrang busog. Tapos nag-dessert kami ng konti, and then after that, uwian na. Konting celebration lang kasi nga birthday ni Ninong Vincent. Ninong namin siya sa kasal ni Mrs. Ito na yung ating choice of fuel gas station. Dito tayo lagi nagpapagas, kahit kay Multi, sa Typar, tsaka itong sa mga Vespa nga. Alright, silipin nga natin si Biebs. Malinis pa naman siya. Perfect na perfect yung weather. Hindi wala tayong gear today kasi naka-shorts pa tayo, kasi magpapagas lang naman tayo. But guys, trust me, it's not an excuse. Huwag nyo akong gayahin na hindi nag-gear. Tanda na tayo. Abangan na natin siya para wala tayong apaw serye sa ating weekend vlog. Apaw serye, ang walang katapusang apaw serye. Ay 1.6 lang siya, oh. Also, ito pala papakita ko sa inyo. May nakuha pala tayong gear galing kay DJ DLS. Thank you Mr. Johnny sa iyong padala. Binigyan niya tayo ng jersey, tapos nalalagyan siya ng armor sa likod, oh. Gawa siya ng full print Manila, but it's nice. May nakalagay sa braso na yo, we are finally back. Just like that. Imikot lang tayo ng parang 2 blocks. Pagas, balik sa bahay. That's it. I just needed to do that as well. So para ma-close natin tong video na to, kasi wala pa akong exit, wala pa akong outro. So yeah, thank you guys for spending the time and watching this video on my 2 days off. Alam ko maikli lang siya in compared sa 2 araw na actual, pero marami rin tayong pahinga. Nakatulog din ako kahit papano. Kaya that's it. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you for watching. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Later.